Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Face ID and Passcode option not showing and missing from settings on your iPhone. So let's watch the video till the end. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap the Screen Time option. From there, scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions under the Restrictions section. Next, scroll down and tap Passcode Changes under the Allow Changes option. Then enter the Screen Time passcode. Make sure the Allow option is selected. After that, force close the Settings app and reopen it. You should now be able to see the Face ID and Passcode option. If you're having trouble locating Face ID and Passcode on your iPhone, you can try performing a force restart. We'll use a combination of the volume keys and the right side power button to do this. Let's follow the steps together. First, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the black screen. This process may take up to 20 seconds, so please be patient and wait for the Apple logo to appear. Now, unlock your iPhone and launch the Settings app to check whether the Face ID and Passcode is available in the list. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.